With your weatherbug.com severe weather outlook, I'm meteorologist Gretchen Mishik. Very soggy weather continues to inundate the Northeast. We had some flooding concerns across the region yesterday, and now wet weather will continue to impact portions of New England. Portsmouth, New Hampshire, waking up to some of that very wet weather today. The cold front is now pushing into Vermont and Maine and across Massachusetts, and the rain is heavy at times, and it's going to add up to 1 to 2 inches in some areas by the time it's all said and done. It eventually departs the nation, moving well off into the Atlantic. High pressure has settled in across the Great Lakes and into the Central Plains, but it is cold with the flow coming out of the northwest. Temperatures have plummeted well below average for this time of the year. Rainfall totals already across portions of New York and New Hampshire have been above an inch. Places like Binghamton and Albany yet to see a whole lot of rain across portions of Maine, but we'll add on to those numbers as we head throughout the rest of the day today. We had a couple reports of hail yesterday across portions of the Ohio River Valley, Indianapolis, West Virginia, and into Illinois. It was also cold enough for the development of a cold air funnel, as reported in Kentucky. That develops under a weak system. It usually doesn't have wind speeds that are all that strong into the 60 to 80 mile an hour range, but still heeding any warnings associated with those are important. They're usually fairly harmless, and they don't typically touch down as they remain into the clouds. This morning, we woke up to some frosty weather across portions of the upper Midwest, with temperatures dropping back down into the 30-degree range across much of Minnesota, Iowa, even down to northern Missouri and into Wisconsin. We're continuing to track very dry, windy conditions across portions of the Southwest, although temperatures will be dropping in California. We are still watching for fire concerns across portions of Arizona and New Mexico.